Hello dear students, today we are going to study chapter number 8, We Are the Best. In this unit, we will learn about forming and using the comparative and superlative form of adjective. Okay, means we are going to study about degree of comparison. Okay, so by using this, you can see here picture of two men. One is old but the another one is older. There are some dumbbells, these are heavy but these are the heavier. These are expensive shoes but these are more expensive. Okay, so in this way, with an example of these two men, I'm going to tell you I'm going to explain you about the degree of comparison by using these old men. I'm keeping the name here, old man name is Ashok. Okay, so when we say Ashok is an old man, we do not compare him with any other man. Okay, we simply say that Ashok is a old man. When we say Bali is older than Ashok, we compare two men and Bali and Ashok and say that one is older than the other. Okay, when we say Anil is the oldest of the three, we compare Ashok, Bali and Anil. One more person we will add here and we will say that, we can say that, see how we will say, Anil is oldest of the three, means one more man we will add here and he is oldest means सबसे ज़्यादा बूढ़ा है वो. Oldest of the three, we compare Ashok, Bali and Anil and say that Anil is the oldest of the three men, यानी वो सबसे बूढ़ा है इन तीनों में से. So this is the comparison of degree. Okay, degree of comparison, old, older and one more oldest. Okay, then thus we see that adjective change in form of old, older and oldest. Okay, to show comparison. In other words, they have 3 degrees of comparison. Okay, there are 3 degrees of comparison, old, older and oldest. The adjective old is said to be in the positive degree. It simply denotes the existence of some quality in the things or person we speak about. Okay, it is used when no comparison is made. The adjective older is said to be in the comparative degree. Okay, it denotes a higher degree of the quality than the positive, which is positive old. Okay, and older is the comparative degree. This is compared with the positive one. Okay, this is the what it is, comparative degree. This is positive, then this is comparative, older. Then which is superlative, which is the greatest one, like the you can see the adjective oldest is said to be in the superlative degree. Okay, it denotes the highest degree of the quality. It is used when more than two objects are compared. Okay, so dear students, we are going to move to the exercise part here. Exercise number A, add er. We have to add here er or more to these adjectives. Okay, some adjectives are given: young, younger, serious, more serious, large, larger, easy, easier, strong, stronger, careful, more careful, important, more important, happy, happier. Then here we have to use er. Okay, add er to one syllable adjective to make comparative forms. Okay, tall, taller, brave, braver, calm, calmer, cool, cooler, fresh, fresher. Okay, then we add more to make the comparative form of longer adjective and most two syllable adjective. Like, see, if it is given interesting, so interestinger we can't write er, we will not use here because it will become wrong. Okay, so what we will do here, we will use the word more. See, more is given here. We are going to use the word more for the words which are like this, ing, which is there in the last one. Interesting, more interesting. Handsome, more handsome. Polite, more polite. Then exercise number B, complete the sentence adding er. Here we have to add er and more, as we have done in the this one, first previous one. So here we have to add er or more. So exercise number first. The road in a town are quieter than road in the city. The house in the city are more modern than the one in small towns. It is given modern, so we are going to use here modern. Moderner is wrong. Okay. Then people wear smarter clothes in the city. Smarter. Er we can add here. The air is cleaner in small towns. The shop in the city are more interesting. The food is fresher in small towns. Okay. So dear students, as we have completed this much, so this much you have to do today, and you have to understand this, and some more examples I am sending you in pictures, so that you may you can understand it in better way. Okay. So you just you go through it. Okay. Thank you.